Managing patient information manually can be time-consuming and may lead to errors, duplicate records, and delays in patient care. Dental clinics need a smarter way to organize and access patient details effortlessly. ERP for Dentists simplifies patient management with an upgraded, user-friendly interface that helps you add, organize, and access patient information quickly. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the improved process of adding a new patient. After a successful login, go to Appointments. Click on View against the patient appointment to view the complete patient information. Click Patient tab to access patient information page. Enter registration date of patient. Enter all other details like referred by, date of birth, weight, height, gender, nationality, occupation, and marital status. Next, add local address and permanent address. Following this, fill the medical information related to the patient and record findings, blood pressure, diabetes, and so on. There is a separate section for women patients to capture their medication details. Also, capture the general medication details of the patient, like their current medications and their allergic medications, if any. Following this, capture the personal history of the patient, including their past dental history. Hit Save to save the complete patient information. You can observe that the complete patient information is saved into the database. With the upgraded patient information module, ERP for Dentists makes it easier to maintain accurate patient records, reduce administrative effort, and spend more time focusing on patient care. Experience a simpler and smarter way to manage your dental practice with ERP for Dentists. Explore the upgraded features and take your clinic towards efficient digital practice management. Smarter patient records, smoother dental practice management. Book your free trial today.